David, anything to say to the people before we do this? People.
Yes, we can.
Oh, baby, it's triple! Oh, yeah!
Bone Age Hardcore. Thank you. America. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. All right, guys. Some people go center too. If you're lazy.
Don't stand in front of me.
We're down to Saw Gunner.
Yeah, we're down to Saw Gunner.
Yo, I'm going up to that trailer there, David.
Okay. David, I'll meet you there.
I'm going around 4.
Are we still getting you two? You guys go deep left.
You lead. Be point.
Yeah, I'm gonna sprint very fast so I can get up to 3 with David.
I will stay to your left. Well, I'll try to stay to your left. Okay, David.
Are you following me?
Well, yeah, I guess
Okay, good.
I'll follow you. Should I slide under that big log or should I jump it? That's the question I wonder.
4, 3, 2.
Ah! Screaming!
That's not sprinting, David.
There's the cheap net.
Oh, 10.
Hang on.
Street.
Got one.
You got guys in 6.
Watch it, move closer. Alright, you got it.
I'll put me out of breath.
Watch that window, Manny. Get it?
You right?
Friendly coming in.
I'm good. I'm at the cheap here. Go
Sorry
down.
for
See, this is
first
what I was
year,
talking about.
girls.
Go down,
Guys.
and you can see them through there. They're about that. They're about this trailer right over here.
6?
Yeah, and then when you peek up, and you just shoot them.
Those people on 10, I can't see.
Did you get one?
6. Watch 6. We got enemy in 6.
Jay, that's a nice sounding gun.
Down low, get.
That's a nice sounding gun.
Thank you.
Here, how about mine? How about mine?
That's not fucking
You
fair.
want to hear something better? You want to hear something better? Listen to this thing.
That's loud.
This is basically down the little amplifier. Going down low, going down low, going down low.
I think we got friendlies moving into the
9,
bathroom.
8, and 10.
Watch, I think there's a couple of 6.
David! Even!
Watch out for them time.
I'm good here.
There's a flag. Here, don't shoot, okay? Alright. I'm coming. I'm a medic. Where's Anita?
I said anyone needs it.
Oh, okay.
Alright, David, what's the plan?
We need to push up left. If we can get to 10, we can get them.
Copy.
You guys stay in here.
I need you to cover me.
Coming. Who? Which one of you guys? All of you?
No, just me. Stay on this side. Don't open yourself up.
Are they in that little thing right there?
No, we got guys in there.
Okay. Oh, we got good. Yeah, stay there.
Where are they coming from?
They're in 10. 10? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Stepped on somebody's foot.
Alright, I'll go give them cover fire. I've got about 2 seconds of a burst if you want me to do that. Tell me when to just fire.
Not the buddy, I found you.
Hold my gun. Hold it. They're good.
I won't lie.
Dude, they did not hit me.
Okay. Unless there's a medic.
I told you I saved you. Oh.
Gentlemen, what's the looking like?
Huh?
We're back.
We're already up there. In there. We're pushing up on 10.
My buddy's in there right now.
We need to get that flag up.
Well, he can't really get it out from while you're watching. And I don't know if this guy here is not calling hits or if there's a medic right now.
Wait a minute. Oh.
The guy over there just got hit.
They're shooting directly across from us at the new building.
I walked all the way across. I didn't see anything warmed up through 6. Probably take out whoever's in there.
Well, look out, look out, look out, look out.
Right in front.
Oh, darn it. I don't know if I can get you this time. Because if I get out, then we're kind of screwed. Heck. Yeah, I got hit in. Are you medic?
Yeah, hit, now.
Yo, I need a medic.
We got one. Get ready.
Oh, here. Lifesaver. Thank you.
Guy just came out of there.
Who else is medic?
Big fire time.
Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move, okay?
Right, okay.
I'm gonna move!
Medic, you're a medic level.
Yep.
Are they in 10?
I'm moving to the brown box.
Hey there.
Woo, we're doing good.
We're trying to push up and get this one.
Yeah, we
10
need-
has one guy in the doorway. All right, on 3.
Huh? Yeah, we need to.
Okay, on 3 we're gonna mow grass. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah!
Go, go, go! 2 down, 2 down! Go, go! Get the flag up!
Go, get the flag up, 2 guys down.
Get it up, get it up!
Guys, get that flag up there. I'll get to him. We gotta get that flag right there. Oh, I think he's got it.
Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Who's getting it?
Is there somebody in 10?
I don't think so. Blue, move up into 10! Move up into 10!
Yep. We got him beat now.
Yo, good moving, guys. Good moving.
Go. Hold up, hold up.
Blue and 10, blue and 10.
I'll get you, I'll get you.
Thank you.
5-6. I gotta tie my shoe. I'm in my boot. Oh. Dude, we got him. We got him now. As long as they're not pushing.
Good job on the flag, man.
Huh?
Good job on the flag.
Someone had to finish it though. The first time I couldn't figure out how to.
Are they in 9?
Oh, we're about to find out.
David, where are you?
Watch out, he's dead across
Hey,
the door.
was David Evie calling for a medic? Hang on, I'm gonna come across. You?
Yeah.